as we see Matt come through upside down and rolling in from the right. Let's watch the artistry and listen to the sound of Miss Ellie with Matt Younkin in the Twin Beech. A 6,000-pound airplane is superb handling as Matt Younkin demonstrated the 8-point hesitation roll. This is very challenging, but it is so great to be able to hear at this air show and other air shows around the country the sound of the radial piston engine. They are so rare these days. And by the way, as we look at this, let me tell you a little bit more about Matt. He soloed for the first time on his 16th birthday, soloed in his grandfather's 1928 Travel Air biplane. He has to date flown over 85 different types of aircraft, from Piper Cubs all the way up to the B-29 Super Fortress bomber. That is superb flying, ladies and gentlemen of Oklahoma City.